Hey everyone, so we're working on our graphing page this week. This one is the first version, so if you're not doing this one, you can look at the other video. So for graphing, it says, number 1, count the number of symbols in each row. Place that number in the last column. 2, answer the questions about the graph. So we're going to do this first, then we're going to answer the questions. So the first one says golf ball. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 golf balls.
7.
Our next one is video. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 videos.
4.
Piano. Piano. 1, 2. 2 pianos.
2.
Golfer. Golfer. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 golfers.
5.
And then college. College. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 colleges.
3.
So we have 7 golf balls, 4 videos, 2 pianos, 5 golfers, and 3 colleges. And if I'm going too fast, feel free to pause the video. So let's answer the questions now. Number 1, which word has the most symbols? Golf ball, golfer, or college? Which one has the most symbols? We'll see. Golf ball has 7, golfer has 5, and college has 3. So if we look at these pictures, which one has the most? Golf ball. That's 7.
Golf ball.
There's a lot of golf balls up there. Number 2, which word has the fewest symbols? Video, college, piano. So we have video with 4, college with 3, and piano with 2. Which one has the fewest? The fewest would be piano because there's only 2.
Piano.
Number 3, what is the highest number? So we have the numbers 7, 4, and 5. Which number is the highest? If you look here, we see 7, 4, and 5. And 7 right here. Golf balls has 7. That is the most. It is the highest
7.
number. Let me scroll up a little bit. Okay, our next one says, what is the lowest number? 3, 2, or 7? So I see 3 here, 2 here, and 7. Which one is the lowest? It would be 2.
2.
2 has the lowest, the fewest. And last question, do any words have the same number? Oh, I'm sorry about that. Do any of the words have the same number? 7, 4, 2, 5, 3. Are any of those the same? No.
No.
They're all different.